Most people building a Texas ranch barndominium under $250,000 are being quoted $320,000 by the time they sign a contract. Not because they upgraded anything, because three specific line items that Texas builders almost never break out separately are quietly inflating every quote you receive right now. I'm going to show you exactly what those three items are, what a Texas ranch barndominium actually costs in 2026, and four floor plans that work at this budget without cutting the things that make Texas ranch living worth building for. The third hidden line item is the one that catches people the most. It has nothing to do with materials or labor. It shows up after your foundation is already poured, and walking away at that point costs you more than paying it. I'll show you exactly what it is and how to negotiate it before it appears. These numbers come from actual 2026 Texas barndominium builds across Central Texas, the Hill Country, East Texas, and the Panhandle. Not projections, not best-case scenarios, what builders are actually charging and what owners actually paid when everything was done. Texas is still the best state in America to build a barndominium, only if you know where the money actually goes. Why Texas ranch barndominiums are different. A Texas ranch barndominium isn't just a barndominium in Texas, it's a specific design philosophy. Wide single-story footprint, deep covered porch running the full front length, metal roof with significant overhang, open concept interior with sight lines that go from the front door to the back wall, and a connection to the land that suburban house designs simply don't achieve. The wide footprint is what drives Texas ranch costs differently from standard barndominium builds. You're not building up, you're building out. That means more foundation per square foot of living space, more roof line per square foot of living space, and more exterior wall per square foot of living space than a two-story equivalent would require. Understanding that before you price means understanding why your quote looks different from what you've seen online. It also means knowing exactly where you can save without losing the design. The three hidden line items. Here they are. This is what I promised earlier. Line item 1, rural utility connection. Texas rural lots frequently sit 200 to 800 feet from the nearest utility connection point. Builders quote the build, they don't quote the connection. Electric service extension in rural Texas runs $8 to $15 per linear foot. On a 400-foot run, that's $3,200 to $6,000 that appears after you've committed to the property. Ask every builder and every utility provider for a written connection estimate before you close on any rural lot. Line item 2, engineered septic system. Standard perk test septic runs $8,000 to $12,000 in Texas, but clay-heavy soils, which cover significant portions of Central Texas, North Texas, and the Blackland Prairie, fail standard perk tests and require an engineered alternative system. Engineered aerobic septic in Texas runs $15,000 to $22,000. Soil type determines which system your county requires, and soil type is something you check before you buy land, not after. Line item 3, site preparation beyond grading. Every quote includes basic grading. Very few quotes include rock excavation, caliche removal, or tree clearing beyond what's immediately visible. Central Texas Hill Country sits on limestone shelf in many areas. When that limestone is 8 inches below grade, standard grading equipment can't touch it. Rock excavation adds $4,000 to $18,000, depending on depth and coverage. Ask your builder specifically whether their site prep quote covers rock excavation. Get the answer in writing. Those three items together add $15,000 to $46,000 to builds where buyers assumed they were already covered. That's where $250,000 budgets become $296,000 invoices. Now that you know where the money disappears, here's where it actually goes when you build right. Floor plan number 1,
the working ranch. 2,000 square feet, 3-bed, 2-bath, 40 by 50 footprint. Estimated cost $198,000 to $228,000. Single-story, full-length covered front porch 12 feet deep running all 40 feet of the front face. Open living, kitchen, and dining in the front half. 3 bedrooms pushed to the rear. Primary suite on the left with walk-in closet and ensuite. 2 secondary bedrooms sharing a hallway bath on the right. The kitchen anchors the center of the open plan. Island facing the living room. Window above the sink facing the front porch. You can see the front gate from the kitchen sink. On a working ranch, that's not an aesthetic choice. That's a functional one. No wasted space anywhere on this floor plan. Every square foot has a job.
Floor plan number 2, the entertainer. 2,200 square feet, 3-bed, 2.5 bath, 44 by 50 footprint. Estimated cost is $218,000 to $248,000. Same single-story ranch philosophy, but the front half opens dramatically. Living room runs 22 feet wide with 14-foot ceilings. Kitchen island seats 6. A half-bath sits off the main living area for guests. No one walks through the bedroom wing for a bathroom during a dinner party. The rear covered patio extends 14 feet off the back wall with an outdoor kitchen rough-in. The back patio is where Texas ranch entertaining actually happens, not inside. This floor plan acknowledges that reality and designs for it. Barn-style sliding doors separate the bedroom wing from the main living area when needed. Privacy without a long hallway eating square footage. Floor plan number 3, the multi-generational ranch. 2,400 square feet, 4-bed, 3 baths, 48 by 50 footprint. Estimated cost is $232,000 to $249,000. Primary suite on the left wing, 3 secondary bedrooms and 2 full baths on the right wing. The right wing includes a separate exterior entrance, a second front door that gives the right wing complete independence from the left. This is the floor plan families build when aging parents are moving on to the property, but nobody's ready to talk about it directly. The separate entrance makes the conversation easier because the design already solved the problem. Both wings share the central living, kitchen, and dining space. When the whole family gathers, they gather in the middle. When they need privacy, 2 separate wings and 2 separate entrances make that possible, without anyone feeling like a guest in someone else's home. Floor plan number 4, the ranch compound. 2,000 square feet main plus 600 square feet guest cabin, separate structures. Estimated cost is $238,000 to $249,000. Main house is a clean 40 by 50 2-bedroom, 2-bath ranch barndominium. The guest cabin sits 40 feet behind it, 600 square feet, 1 bedroom, 1 bath, full kitchenette, separate entrance, connected by a covered gravel path with string lights. The guest cabin costs $38,000 to $52,000 to build separately. At the total budget, this still comes in under $250,000 in moderate Texas markets, and it gives you something no single structure floor plan can: 2 completely independent living spaces on the same property. Short-term rental income from the guest cabin in rural Texas runs $900 to $1,600 per month, depending on location. In hill country tourist areas, that number doubles. The guest cabin pays for itself in 3 to 4 years. Here is the single smartest thing you can do before you hire anyone for any of these builds. The one move that protects your budget. Before signing with any builder, request a written line item breakdown that specifically includes rural utility connection, septic system type based on a soil perk test, and site preparation scope covering rock excavation. Any builder who resists providing those 3 items in writing is a builder whose quote will change after your foundation is poured.
The ones who provide it without hesitation are the ones who have built in Texas long enough to know those surprises destroy client relationships. That one conversation filters out 60% of the budget problems before they start. Texas ranch barndominiums under $250,000 are real in 2026. 4 floor plans that work at this budget, 3 hidden line items that turn $250,000 into $296,000 if you don't ask about them up front, and 1 conversation with your builder that protects everything. The land is still here, the builders are still here, the budget is still achievable. The only variable is how much you know before you start. Which floor plan fits your life? Drop it in the comments, 1 through 4. And if this gave you something your last 3 contractor conversations didn't, subscribe. This is what Prefab Pathfinders covers every single week. Build Texas, build smart, build once.